How to cancel VEED Pro subscription. First of all, open your browser and go to veed.io. Once you are logged in, you will be redirected to your dashboard homepage. In the upper left corner, you will notice your workspace name. Click on it, then choose Workspace Settings. A modal window will pop up. From there, select Workspace Billing, which is the last option on the left-hand side. You can also reach this page by clicking your workspace name and picking Workspace Billing from the drop-down menu. Under the Upgrade button, you will find Turn off auto-renewal. This is the option you need. Click it. VEED might present an attractive offer, such as 50% off for 2 months. If you don't want the offer, simply click Decline Offer at the bottom. After that, Why are you cancelling screen will appear. Pick the reason that best fits your situation, then click Next. VEED also gives the option to pause subscription, but if you want to proceed with cancellation, click Decline Offer. Finally, a confirmation screen will ask, Are you sure? Click Confirm and Cancel. You will then see a confirmation that your auto-renewal has been successfully cancelled. Click Go to Account to exit the billing screen. Now you know how to cancel VEED Pro subscription. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.